Today we are making
cheesecake!
Oh, so exciting! Cheesecake. We are making cheesecake. And
we need to start this over.
no. Come here. Welcome to the Pretend Cooking Show with Dr. Whitbeck and his able-bodied assistant, Hunter.
Hello.
Today we are making
Cheesecake!
cheesecake! And there's no better cheesecake than a New York cheesecake. So we have the Junior's cheesecake book. Junior's famous cheesecake is made in New York. It was made in Brooklyn, and so we are going to recreate it kind of with a graham cracker crust. They use a spongy crust, but we're going to use graham crackers. The first thing we do is wash our hands. Did you see the new Neil Diamond song?
No.
Hands, washing hands, not touching mine, not touching yours. I forget the rest of it, sweet Caroline. Do, do, do. My hands have never been so clean. So clean, so clean, so clean. We're going to use graham crackers. So first, to the graham cracker station, we have to make the crust. Here we are at the graham cracker station. And we have to mash or grind 350 grams, 2.5 cups, of graham crackers. So have at it. To this, we add 8 tablespoons of melted butter.
In the food processor?
Yes, in the food processor.
And now we're gonna put the graham cracker crumbs into a greased springform pan.
We might not use all of it. We're going to press it down, spread it out and press it down into the springform pan. The extra we will use to make some little small crusts in muffin tins. And now time for the cheesecake ingredients. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. For our ingredients, you will need 4 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, 1 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, 2 extra large farm fresh eggs, and 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Step 1. Place 1 of the 8-ounce packages of cream cheese into a large bowl. Add to that 1/3 of the cup of sugar. Glucose, C6H12O6.
You're not putting that.
For those of you who are scientifically inclined. And all of the cornstarch. You're going to use a heavy mixer to mix that. Let's go to the heavy mixer. Here's our heavy mixer. All right, let's mix. And you mix that until it is all mixed together and soft and swirly. There you go. Now add the remaining 3 packages of cream cheese. And you beat that until it is soft and all mixed in. Increase the speed so that it mixes well. Now add the remaining sugar.
Oh, look at it go round and round and round and round. Oh, don't look too closely. Oh, me getting dizzy. Oh!
And now for 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla. Our favorite pure vanilla extract. Tastes good, smells awful. Nope.
Tastes bad, smells good.
But through the magic of
Sugar.
2 farm fresh eggs. We've gotten how many eggs today? 8. 8 eggs today, 1 from each chicken that we own. And the whipping cream. All goes in. That was the vanilla. One egg. Oh, it's looking so delicious. Now the cream.
It says on high speed.
There's the rest of the cream. Now you can turn that up and whip until everything is mixed and smooth.
It like literally spilled everywhere.
And now we are going to gently spoon the contents into the springform pan where we put our graham cracker crusts.
How high do we want this? Like
All the way up. Fill that pan all the way up. Now we're going to add to our glass pan warm water about 1 inch up the side of this. This does something magical and prevents the cheesecake from cracking while we cook it. And now into the oven for 1 hour.
Hey Dad, the cheesecake's done. Can you get it out of the oven? Only 4 more hours in the fridge, and then looks like cheesecake for breakfast.
Oh, breakfast time. Oh, it looks good. Nice cheesecake. Let's see what it tastes like. All right, let's see if we can get this out of here. Oh, I think it's going to work. Yeah. Oh, delicious cheesecake, just right. You can see the graham cracker crust at the bottom and cheesy cake. You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right. Be careful with the knife. That's an extra piece. Here, let's taste it. Oh, spongy. spongy creaminess. Oh. It's like cheesecake. Amazing. Mmm.
It's a little crunchy.
You can taste that vanilla that we put in, and the sugar magically makes it taste good. All right.
Here.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. If the whole cake tastes the same way.
I don't.
Easy creamy cheesecake from Junior's. Delicious. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. I did all of it.